So for this assignment, we're gonna do this part right here. And this part is in your assignment as a PDF. We are just gonna follow the simple steps to create this part right here. And it lays out the steps for you to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then also lists it out right here in words so you can follow along, but I'll be showing you how to do it right now. So remember, you need your tools. So you'll need your pencils. For this isometric, we'll just be using 1 pencil, but you do want to have 3, and your eraser. You have your portable drafting board, your T-square, right? So T-square, and you'll also need your 30-60 triangle. So remember, we start by taping our piece of paper straight with our T-square, and then we also make a nice horizontal line, and then we do the guidelines that we need with our triangle, and we make them as light as possible. So we do 1 in this direction, 30 degrees, 1 in this direction, 30 degrees, and then 1 vertical, 90 degrees, right? All right, so next for this part, we need to go 4 inches. Yes, 4 inches in this direction, right here. And then we need to go 2.5 inches in this direction over here. So 12, 1, 2.5. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just connect these and make these lines darker. Okay, so I have that there, and now I'm going to make another guideline from here. Just a light line because I will need to erase some of it. And I'm also going to connect this line with that line. Here, light line because I will need to erase some of it. All right, so we have that, and next we're going to go up. So we're going up. In the y-axis, we are going 2 1/4. So we're gonna go 2 1/4. So 0 there. Okay. And then we need to do the same thing that we did. So use guidelines again, very light lines, and then we're just gonna complete our box. But use light lines because you will need to erase some of these. And we have our initial box. So there we have our initial box, okay? And next we need to make the platform. So we'll start with our platform, and the platform is 3/4 of an inch above that line. So we're gonna go up 3/4 of an inch. So 1/4, 1/4, half, 3/4. I'll be right there. And then I'll make 2 guidelines just to guide me. Again, so right now I'm just making guidelines that are going to help me into making my shape, and when I'm done, I'm erase the rest. So that's my platform right there. Next, I gotta decide where the top of my triangle goes, and we know that that is at the midway point. So we need to get a line where the platform is, because that's where the triangle starts from. So we're gonna go make a dot, the 1 point marker, the 2 inch marker, and the 3 inch marker, because the 2 inch marker is the midpoint of the whole part, and then the 1 inch and 1 inch is where our triangle starts from. Okay, so let's make those guidelines. Start in the middle, right there, and then I'm connecting these two, and I'm gonna do that light as well. I'll do the light. I'll do a light, and then when I'm going over everything again with my darker pen, I'll make everything darker. Okay, so we have that. And now we need to bring these lines across over here. So we're just gonna finish everything, connect all the lines that need to go toward each other. This line will go all the way to the back there, and then it will connect to this one back here. And then this top line needs to connect to that line back there, and then this line, this point, we need to connect to this point because the triangle's coming down. Okay. All right, so now that I have my basic overall shape, I'm just going to darken the lines that I really need now. So yeah, so I'm going to take a darker pencil, and now just use my triangle as a guide to help me darken everything. It is best if you focus on all the vertical lines first, and you just basically focusing in one direction. All the lines you need to darken in one direction. I'm gonna do these right here. I'm gonna do this one, and then that one all the way back in the corner there. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in the opposite direction and darken these over here. Okay, and the same thing over here. And the same thing over here, I'm just darkening my lines. And you'll see this end part there. Okay, and next I'll darken this one right here. And that one goes there. And then I'm going to connect this one. That one. I have to do some erasing there. And that was that. And with that one. And there's my shape. And now I'm going to start erasing the lines I don't need. Just remember, the softer you erase, the less that line will show. The less the line will show. And you can also use your eraser shield as well. I'm opting not to use one right now. This is when it really helps to make light lines. Okay, and then you get your brush. You get your brush and you brush it away as much as you can. I think I could have made my lines a little bit lighter. When in doubt, always just go lighter. And now I just need to connect this line here to that triangle. And that is it. Just put your name on it. The date. And you're done. All right. Thank you.